name is Audrey Burns, and I'm doing a density project on a density 6-layer column. Almost like a 6-layer burrito, but I think there's 7 layers in that one. And I decided to do the honey and the Karo syrup first because those were the hardest to get into the baster and into the graduated cylinder because they're the thickest. Because honey's density is 1.36 and the Karo syrup is 1.33. And that is much heavier than all the other items I'm about to place. And density's equation, it is the density equals mass divided by volume. So it's the weight of it, and then how much space it takes up. See, the Dawn dish soap goes into the baster much easier than the Karo syrup and the honey did. We had a little complications with that one. I'm going to let it go up to 1 ounce. And then we are going to pour it into the cylinder, and we will test to see if the calculations are correct, and it will stand right on top of the honey and the Karo. Did it work? Yes, I believe it did. Now I'm going to wash this real quick. You watch. Alright, now we will pour the water, which I have colored green because the water and the Karo and the rubbing alcohol are of the same color almost. So we had to dye them a different color. And water's density is only 1.00. So this one should be pretty easy. Let's see. Barely mixes. Oh, that looks very nice. How the different colors level up. I'll be right back. Alright, next is the vegetable oil. And we tried coloring it a little darker yellow, but as you can see, it just left spots because the oil and the water don't mix very well. I wonder if we'll catch these little bubbles that are in this. I just wonder. And it doesn't go past the water or anything because its density is lighter and it is a 0.91. So it doesn't go past it because its mass and its volume will not let it. Now observe the bubbles in the dye and the vinegar because the oil and the waters won't mix. Correct. Alright, last but not least, the item, I'm going to have to move over here to reach, is rubbing alcohol, colored red. hands. Let's see if this will sit on the vinegar because their densities were very close. I'm so sorry, not vinegar, vegetable oil. Look at that. This is honey, 1.36. Light Caro Surf, 1.33. Dawn dish soap, 1.03. Water, 1. Vegetable oil, 0.91. And rubbing alcohol, 0.79. These all sit on top of each other because their densities make them stuck. This one is the lightest, and if it was the heaviest, it would float to the bottom. Now next time, we will see if we'll put the lightest on bottom and the heaviest on top, if they'll all mix or they'll all go into this form already. Next time.
Yeah.